Noise app. So how to earn revenue on this app? So this is a new creator platform app. You can just open it up and you can just see that here you can just easily post content. There are some deadlines, and when you post in here you can earn from $10, and then depending on the number of views you're getting, you can earn additional revenue. So that's basically the idea. And now yeah, you can just see in here, like you can just accept this, and then you can just select TikTok, and then you can see start building your post for TikTok, download your post images, add captions and descriptions, post and get paid. Download these 3 images, so then you can just download those. So yeah, I will just try to do it. You'll be switching between Noise and TikTok to post. Take the images, captions and description from Noise and build your post on TikTok. So connect your TikTok account to Noise. So then just I need to go to my TikTok. So I just copy link. Add a caption to every image in your post. Copy the captions from Gemstreak and paste them on TikTok. And then you just need to see in here, so post descriptions. You can see in here, unlock French. So this is post description in here. That's another one. And then you just need to post it, language learning. So this is the caption you just see here. French learning apps I wish knew about this earlier, the best. And then this app actually helped. And then also post description, you just add it in here. So, and that's basically how you post it. And then that's basically the idea how you can just do it. And yeah, so something like that. So try it out.